Okay, narrate.
Alright, what?
So what the story behind this is?
Well, we went to IKEA last week with Allison and Emma, and every bed had one of these little netting things on it.
Princess.
And Hayden decided that they were princess beds, and she had to get inside each and every bed and pull the netting around her, and she was all excited. And so I told her when she started to sleep in a digital bed that she could get a princess bed, because we've been having this nightly debate with her about when the new baby comes. What? The new baby needs a crib. Only she was telling me that the new baby had to get its own crib. They couldn't have hers. So she's been doing it, sleeping in her bed. She slept in it last night for the first time and fell out midway through, but...
And Daddy just put up her new princess bed. So now we're going to bring her up and show her a new surprise.
Okay, I'll tell her.
What is it? Oh, wow!
You got a princess bed! Daddy did! He did!
Daddy didn't get a princess bed. Hayden got a princess bed.
You got it for her.
Oh, do you love it?
Yeah. Nice. Are you excited?
Oh, yep, she loves it.
You're a princess? Oh.
Let me see the princess and her princess.
Wow.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh.
Princesses don't yell like that.
Yes, they do.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that bed.
You are so lucky.
Excuse me. Are you going to close it up? Are you going to close it up? There you go. Careful. Let go. Don't pull it. You're going to break it. You gotta let go. You're going to break it. Don't have to throw it in the garbage. Don't pull. I got to be gentle.